Hello, I'm going to talk about the coronavirus. So, the novel coronavirus is spreading. It is affecting our daily lives. Like, for example, forced public places to shut down, such as schools, parks, buildings, etc. People must stay in their homes to prevent spread. So, this means that, like I just said, you cannot access public places. People are meeting virtually instead of meeting like in real life, and also uh, we are doing online school. The novel coronavirus is forcing many changes. So, like I said, there has to be online school. You cannot access public places. Lots of events had to be postponed or canceled, such as after-school events and sports. The novel coronavirus makes life more boring because uh you're stuck at home and you can't go anywhere, like any public places. You could walk around, you could play in your yard, but uh that only lasts for so long. So no more play dates or meeting with friends. So to prevent spread, the novel coronavirus is forcing changes for everyone. That's the end of my presentation. Hope you liked it. Bye.